Good morning, everybody. Abraham here with the Salmon Homestead. As many of you know, I go fishing up in Alaska, and one of the other things I do is homeschool our kids. And on the side, I come down to the greenhouse and help the in-laws with planting flowers, putting dirt in pots. And the big thing that we're going to do today is this big plastic wall that's behind us. That is going to be coming down today. It's time to open up the rest of the greenhouse so that we can continue planting all of our hanging baskets and pots and watering cans and things like that. So that's a big thing, opening up from this side that's been closed off since, well, I guess you could say since Christmas. And we had this little opening here right behind me to cut through. And now the heat has already been turned on. We're trying to warm it up over there. And soon we're going to be planted over there. But the wall is going to come down.
And after holding that time to create pressure again, and we started to get songs going out the end, and then we concluded, and then it came out with that 21. Had that been handled in a different order, I think it would have been a huge difference. I think it sounds very cool to talk about the public relations of announcing an issue with mental health challenges. But the public relations of it made this more difficult from a PR standpoint.
But we will see Harden this week. This is when we're going to see him.
I like that, just comes right down real easy. And there you have it, folks. Plastic is down, laying on the ground right there. You just gotta get it cleaned up. But as you can see, it is opened up. Let me just show you a little bit of what we got going on and why we needed to open it up. So right here, you see all the white pots. And we got the cocoa liner pots in the back here. On this side over here, we have a bunch of the watering cans. Ton more of white pots right here. If I just turn around right over here, bunch of brown pots here, more of the watering cans, and then last but not least, of course, we have a whole bunch of pots right here. And if I swing around, a whole bunch of more pots there. So that is why we needed to take down that wall. And let me give you a view from this side. There you can see that's the open spot right there. You can see right through. We have some 4-inch there. It's all open. And of course, right over there is where we've been spending a lot of our time with the dirt machine. So we'll have to see what else we can get done today. One of the sources that we use for doing our homeschooling is Reading Eggs. Reading Eggs is a pretty cool tool to use because as the kids work through their math and reading, they can take tests at various levels to see if they pass that level. If they don't pass certain things, they can go back and work on those topics again and then retest and move on. Has cool characters that the kids can add to like a bedroom or a house, and they can build using I don't know, toys. They can put in a couch or a chair. So it is a neat tool to use to learn how to read and to learn math, but also it adds in a little character and fun with some of the unique other things that add in as they continue on. They earn little bonus points or this or that. So Reading Eggs, cool tool for us to use in our homeschooling.
I'm Eve and I'm doing my homework. It's the warmest day ever.
Well, thanks for watching. Hope your day is staying a little bit warmish. Here in Wisconsin, we got like 3 days, gonna head down a little bit lower here and single digits possibly. But hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching the Salmon Homestead, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.